time purposes. Busy day, just got done leg day, talk, and meditation class. Gotta teach kids later. So this is for those have a busy day, but need a good stretching. So we'll start off with the easy style. Some cosmo with the legs crossed, sitting up tall, shoulders are back and down. Never mind the noise. Deep breaths. Bring the right hand behind the back, fingers wide, left hand to the right knee. Let the gaze over the right shoulder, give the spine a twist. Make sure you're pushing through the right shoulder, making the arm straight, relax the left shoulder. Deep breaths. Inhale, exhale slowly back forward. Make sure you're sitting up tall, left hand behind the back, fingers wide, arms sturdy and firm. Right hand to the left knee, relax the shoulder. Turn to the left. Hands over the left shoulder, deep breaths. Inhale, exhale slowly back forward. Make sure you're sitting up tall. I'm going to face this way so you can see properly. I keep my socks on for the purposes of keeping this short and sweet and simple. Make sure you're sitting up tall. Windmill with the right arm going back, fingers wide. Doing the same with the left. Now the idea here is to always stay in alignment, so make sure your arms are aligned with the hips or to the outside of the hips. You're going to walk the hand into the glutes or to the small of the back, fingers wide. Bring the shoulder blades in, poke the chest out. Thrust the hips forward, knees over the feet. Drop the weight of the head back, squeeze the glutes to straighten the spine. Deep breaths. Slowly drop the hips forward, back down. Windmill around with the right. Doing the same with the left. Then you're gonna walk the hands up the mat. As much as possible, drop the weight of the head down. After your arms extend out, relax them. Drop the head down as much as possible. Relax the neck, arms, and shoulders, and relax the hips. It's just a good overall north, south, east, west stretch that hits everything. And as we twist, lead the obliques and spine. Also working the other smaller parts and muscles of the hips. Slowly come back up. And as we go back, we hit the lower back, opening the chest, shoulders back and down. And then we lean forward, top part of the head, spine. Straighten the legs forward. Excuse me. Make sure the legs are straight and flat. Sit up. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, forward, fold to the feet. If you can't reach for the feet, bring the hands to the side. Push the hands up as much as possible. If you can, grab the tops of the feet, pull in. Regardless, drop the head down. Gradually pull the body in. Deep breaths. And pop some toes if need be to give more relief. Inhale. Exhale, slowly drag the fingers up the legs, coming back up tall, shoulders back and down. Now spread the legs wide. I'm gonna face this way. Fold the left sole to the inside of the right leg. Make sure you're sitting up tall. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, turn to the right. Drop the hands down to the right foot for Janu Sirsasana or knee to head posture. Pull the head down into the knee as much as possible. Again, if you can't reach for the foot, hands to the side, push up, pull the body in. Inhale, exhale, arms up. Slowly turn forward, drop the left hand to behind the back with the arm into the ribs, fingers wide. Inhale. Exhale, thrust the hips up, squeezing the glutes. Drop the head back and down. Push the hips all the way forward. Push down. Extend the left leg. Right sole in. Right leg to the mat. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, turn to the left, drop down. Pull in, deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale up. Turn forward, right hand behind the back, arm to the ribs. Thrust up. Squeeze the glutes, drop the head. Slowly drop down. Fold the left in. Hands to receptive, shoulders back and down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, hands to heart center, shoulders back and down. Like I said, good, quick restorative for you. Nice stretch to the legs, lower back, and every part of your body. Stretch your neck as need be. Remember to breathe, not apart, together.